Schwartz came to us asking us to show how their product feels. We wrote a piece of music with the intention of communicating what it's like to taste something. So we wrote a piece of music that develops in terms of intensity. And then we took the music that we'd written and used it to trigger explosions of herbs and spices.
I was asked to write a bit of music, and each key that I pressed was going to result in an explosion.
We are taking a timing code from the music, and we can literally go to the millisecond with a signal to each pyrotechnic to fire it.
So the intention being to create an audio-visual feast. So we had a matrix of spice sacks like you would find in a spice warehouse, and triggered pyrotechnics in the bottom of these sacks.
Yeah, I'm kind of known for making garage records basically, but this I'm kind of getting much more into scoring and classical stuff because that's really where it came from. In music, you can have different timbres that I guess relate to kind of different flavours, and you know, colours relate to different kind of chords.
We're dealing with leaves, granules and grains,
Basil leaves,
coriander,
garlic,
fresh chilies,
cayenne pepper, rosemary.
It's a lovely thing to have a sequence which is totally real. I think the magic of it is just portrayed by knowing that what you're looking at has been done, and it's been filmed at high speed, and somehow we've managed to get all the cues in the right place.
So I hope people just find it a satisfying, vibrant, colourful, exciting thing to watch.
And everyone stay still, please. We're still rolling till the last moment. Make sure you get your captures.